Hi guys, Ben here at Cool Motorcycles. Here we have a 2017 Triumph Thruxton 1200R. The bike's covered 8,500 miles. Really nice clean example. The current chap bought it from Ling's Triumph in 2022 at about 6,500. There's 5 entries in the service book. The first 4 are Triumph. The last one, just let that set itself. The last one is from us, service in preparation for the sale. Really nice clean thing. It wants for absolutely nothing. Tyres are great. But the only bit I can pick up on the whole bike is this exhaust. It's got the Vance & Hines as part of the racer kit. There's a couple of little scratches just on top of the exhaust there on this side. I mean, they're pretty minor, but they're there, so I'll mention it. All the casings really nice and clean. See in there. Get the O-lens and the adjustable showers up front. All the paintwork is really nice. Seat unit, the seat cowl is perfect. The tank is also perfect. No marks on it whatsoever. Also, as part of the racer kit, you get the LED lights, which you don't get on the normal Thruxton. Slight bit of aging to the bare metal, but nothing bad. Overall, it's a really nice clean thing. There you go, really nice bike, lovely history with it. If you've got any questions or queries, feel free to give us a shout. Yeah, I think that's about it. Thanks for watching.